Addition up to 20. Addition. Putting together two or more numbers is called addition. Today we will learn addition by making a group of 10 using connecting cubes. Let us start with an example. What is 8 plus 6? These are the connecting cubes. Let us represent these two numbers by connecting cubes. First, we have to make a group of 10 connecting cubes and then add the remaining ones to find the sum of 8 and 6. Here, we need to add 2 connecting cubes in 8 connecting cubes to make a group of 10. Now, we can see that we are left with 4 connecting cubes. So, 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. So, we have seen that it becomes easy to add two numbers by making a group of 10 and then adding the remaining ones.